Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up too late watching videos.
Oh no. What time did you go to bed?
Around 2 a.m., I couldn't stop scrolling.
That's way too late. You look tired.
I know. I need coffee right now.
I'll make some. Do you want it black or with milk?
With milk and 2 sugars, please.
Coming right up. Breakfast is almost ready too.
You're a lifesaver. What did you make?
Scrambled eggs and toast, your favorite.
That smells amazing. Thank you so much.
Hurry up. The bathroom is free now.
Finally. You always take so long in there.
Hey, looking good takes time.
Whatever. I just need 10 minutes.
That's what you always say, and then it's 30 minutes.
Not today, I promise. Should I wear the blue shirt or the white one?
Definitely the blue one. It looks great on you.
Good choice. Can I borrow your perfume?
Sure, but don't use too much this time.
Okay. Just a little spray.
Perfect. We need to leave in 20 minutes.
Got it. I'll be ready on time.
Traffic is terrible today.
I know. We should have left earlier.
Let me check Google Maps for a shortcut.
Good idea. Is there another route?
Yes, if we take the highway, we'll save 15 minutes.
Let's do it. I can't be late again.
What happened last time?
My boss gave me a warning. He was not happy at all.
Oh no, don't worry. We'll make it on time.
I hope so. Can you drive a little faster?
I'm trying, but I don't want to get a speeding ticket.
You're right. Safety first.
Hi, welcome to the coffee shop. What can I get you?
Hi. Can I have a large latte, please?
Sure, hot or iced?
Iced, please. It's so hot outside.
Great choice. Would you like any flavor? Vanilla or caramel?
Ooh, caramel sounds delicious. Yes, please.
Anything else? We have fresh muffins today.
Why not? I'll take a chocolate muffin.
Excellent. That'll be $7.50. Cash or card?
Card, please. I never carry cash anymore.
Same here. Tap right here. Your order will be ready in 3 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Hey, good morning. You made it just in time.
Barely. Traffic was crazy today.
Tell me about it. I was stuck for 30 minutes.
Did you see the email from the boss?
Yes, there's a meeting at 10 a.m. Do you know what it's about?
I think it's about the new project.
Oh, great. I haven't finished my report yet.
You still have 2 hours. You can do it.
Thanks for the motivation. I need more coffee first.
You and your coffee addiction.
Hey, coffee is what keeps me going.
Fair enough. Let's get to work.
Hey, what's up? I haven't heard from you in ages. I know, right? I've been super busy with work. Same here. We should catch up soon. Definitely. Are you free this weekend? Let me check. Saturday works for me. Perfect. Want to grab lunch somewhere? Sounds great. Any place in mind? How about that new Italian restaurant downtown? Oh, I've heard great things about it. Let's do it. Awesome. I'll book a table for 1 p.m. You're the best. See you Saturday then. Can't wait. Take care. Bye.
I'm starving. What are you having for lunch?
I brought a sandwich from home. What about you?
I forgot my lunch at home. I'll have to order something.
There's a good place nearby. They deliver fast.
Oh, really? What do they have?
Burgers, salads, wraps, pretty much everything.
I'm in the mood for a chicken wrap.
Nice. Their chicken wrap is actually amazing.
Sold. I'm ordering right now. Want anything?
Can you get me a fresh juice? Mango, please.
Done. It says delivery in 20 minutes.
Perfect. Let's eat in the break room today.
Do you have a minute? I'd like to talk about your performance.
Of course. Is everything okay?
Yes, actually. I'm really impressed with your recent work.
Oh, wow. Thank you. That means a lot to me.
The client was very happy with your presentation.
I worked really hard on it. I'm glad they liked it.
It shows. I want to give you more responsibility. How do you feel about that?
I'd love that. I'm ready for new challenges.
Great attitude. We'll discuss the details in Friday's meeting.
Sounds perfect. I won't let you down.
I know you won't. Keep up the great work.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support.
Did you bring the shopping list?
Yes, it's on my phone. We need milk, eggs, bread, and vegetables.
Let's start with the fresh section. The tomatoes look good today.
Yeah, but they're a bit expensive. $4 per kilo?
Really? That's too much. Let's check the other brand.
Good idea. Oh, look, there's a sale on chicken. Buy one, get one free.
What a deal. Let's grab 2 packs.
Done. What else do we need?
We're running low on rice and cooking oil.
Got it. I think that's everything. Let's go to the checkout.
Wait, we forgot the snacks.
Haha, how could we forget the most important thing?
Hey, I haven't seen you here before. Are you new?
Yeah, I just signed up yesterday. It's my first day.
Welcome. What are you planning to work on today?
I want to lose some weight and build muscle.
Great goals. Do you want me to show you around?
That would be awesome. I don't know how to use most of these machines.
No worries. This one is for your legs, and that one is for your arms.
What about cardio? I heard running is the best for losing weight.
It helps, but a mix of cardio and weights is even better.
Good to know. How often do you here?
About 4 times a week. Consistency is key.
I'll try my best. Thanks for all your help.
Anytime. We can work out together if you want.
I'd love that. See you tomorrow then.
Good afternoon. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. I've been feeling really tired lately, and I have a sore throat.
I see. How long have you been feeling this way?
About 3 days now. It's getting worse.
Do you have a fever or headache?
A slight fever. My temperature was 100 degrees Fahrenheit this morning.
Let me take a look at your throat. Open your mouth and say ah.
Ah.
It's a bit red and swollen. It looks like you have a throat infection.
Oh no. Is it serious?
Nothing to worry about. I'll prescribe some antibiotics and rest.
How many days should I take them?
Take 1 tablet twice a day for 5 days and drink plenty of water.
Got it. Should I take any time off work?
Yes, rest for at least 2 days. You'll feel much better soon.
Thank you so much, doctor.
We're almost out of gas. Let's stop at this station. Good call. The tank is nearly empty. Should I fill it up completely? Yeah, fill it up. We have a long drive ahead. Regular or premium gas? Regular's fine. No need to spend extra. Okay, I'll also check the tire pressure. Smart. The back tire looked a bit low yesterday. While I'm at it, should I clean the windshield? It's so dirty. Yes, please. I can barely see through it. Done. That'll be $45. Here you go. Let's hit the road.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a savings account.
Sure. Do you have your ID and proof of address?
Yes, here they are.
Perfect. How much would you like to deposit initially?
I'll start with $500.
Great. Would you also like a debit card?
Yes, please. And can I set up online banking?
Absolutely. I'll help you with that right now.
What's the interest rate on this account?
It's currently 2.5% per year.
That sounds reasonable. Let's go ahead.
Wonderful. Just sign here and you're all set.
Thank you so much for your help.
This house is a mess. We need to clean up.
I know. Where do we even start?
Let's divide the work. I'll do the kitchen, you do the living room.
Deal. Should I vacuum the carpet first?
Yes, and please dust the shelves too. They're covered in dust.
Got it. What about the dishes?
I'll load the dishwasher. It's faster that way.
Should we do the laundry too?
Definitely. The basket is overflowing.
Ugh, I hate doing laundry.
Same, but it has to be done. Let's put on some music to make it fun.
Now that's a great idea. Let's do this.
I'm so bored. Want to watch a movie tonight?
Sure. What are you in the mood for?
How about a comedy? I need a good laugh.
Same here. Have you seen the new Ryan Reynolds movie?
Not yet. I heard it's hilarious. Let's watch that.
It's on Netflix. I'll set it up.
Awesome. Should I make some popcorn?
Obviously. Movie night without popcorn is a crime.
You're so dramatic. Butter or cheese flavor?
Butter, always. And grab some cold drinks too.
On it. Let's start in 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'll grab the blankets. It's freezing tonight.
This is going to be the best movie night ever.
No doubt. Let's go.
Can you believe this weather? It was sunny an hour ago.
I know. Now it's pouring rain. I didn't bring an umbrella.
Me neither. Let's wait under this building until it stops.
Good idea. Do you think it'll stop soon?
Let me check the weather app. It says rain for another 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
I have a meeting in 15 minutes. I have a spare umbrella in my car. Want me to get it? Would you? That would be amazing. Of course. Stay here. I'll be right back.
You're a lifesaver. I owe you one. Don't mention it. That's what friends are for. Next time, I'm checking the forecast before leaving home.
Hi, I'd like to return this shirt, please. Sure. Is there a problem with it? It doesn't fit. I ordered a medium, but it's too tight. I'm sorry about that. Do you have the receipt? Yes, here it is. I bought it 3 days ago. No problem. Would you like to exchange it for a larger size or get a refund? I'd prefer an exchange. Do you have this in large? Let me check. Yes, we do. Same color? Actually, do you have it in black? We sure do. Here you go. Would you like to try it on? Yes, please. This one fits perfectly. Wonderful. I'll process the exchange right away. Thank you so much. Great customer service. Thank you. Have a great day.
What should we cook for dinner tonight?
How about pasta? It's quick and easy.
Sounds good. Do we have all the ingredients?
We have pasta and garlic, but we need tomatoes and cheese.
I'll run to the store quickly. Anything else?
Grab some basil and olive oil too.
Got it. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
I'll start boiling the water while you're gone.
I'm back. Here's everything.
Perfect. Can you chop the tomatoes while I make the sauce?
Sure. How small should I cut them?
Medium pieces. And don't forget to add salt.
This smells incredible already.
Wait until you taste it. My secret recipe.
I'm so exhausted. What a long day.
Same. I can barely keep my eyes open.
Did you lock the front door?
Yes, and I turned off all the lights downstairs.
Good. Did you set the alarm for tomorrow?
Yep, 6:30 a.m. We have an early start tomorrow.
I wish I could sleep in.
We can sleep in on Sunday, just one more day.
That's what keeps me going. I already set out my clothes for tomorrow.
Smart. That saves so much time in the morning.
All right, I'm going to brush my teeth and hit the bed.
Me too. Good night. Sleep tight.
Good night. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
You always say that. Sweet dreams.
Thank God it's Friday. Any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I just want to relax and do nothing.
That sounds boring. Let's do something fun.
Like what?
We could go to the beach, have a picnic, or try that new escape room.
An escape room? That sounds exciting. I've never done one before.
It's so much fun. You have to solve puzzles to get out of a room.
That's cool. Let's do it on Saturday. And Sunday?
Sunday can be our lazy day. We'll sleep in and binge watch a show.
Now that's the perfect weekend.
Right? I'll book the escape room. You bring the snacks.
Deal. This is going to be the best weekend ever.
No doubt. Let's make the most of it.
Absolutely. I can't wait.